Ever felt disconnected during outdoor adventures or emergency situations? The Baofeng UV5R 8W Tri-Power Walkie-Talkie transforms how you stay connected with professional-grade communication at incredible value. This dual-band powerhouse operates on VHF and UHF frequencies with 128 programmable channels for crystal-clear conversations across impressive distances. The upgraded 8-watt transmission power ensures effective communication even in challenging terrains where cell phones fail. Features include an intuitive LCD display with tricolor backlighting for easy day or night use, plus a built-in LED flashlight for emergencies. Whether hiking through mountains, coordinating events, managing security, or preparing for emergencies, this radio delivers reliable performance when you need it most. Long-range capability keeps you connected with your team up to several miles away. Setup is straightforward with both manual and PC programming options. The durable construction withstands outdoor conditions, while the rechargeable battery provides extended use. From outdoor enthusiasts to professionals, this walkie-talkie offers the perfect combination of power, versatility, and affordability. Find the link to purchase in the description and comments below.